Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So welcome back to another video, and first of all thank you all for 1000 subscribers. So today's video will be trying out clothes from my closet, part 1. It will be only t-shirts. So let's go. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, share and comment your views on it, and comment down which was your favorite t-shirt or did you like the turtleneck. So I'll see you guys this week, at the end of this week. It is a fun video. Don't forget to miss that out. See you all.